Your legs are your foundation, determining your balance, independence, and overall mobility. Yet, many people do not realize that their legs are getting weaker until simple actions suddenly become difficult. This phenomenon is not merely normal aging, it is known as muscle loss, a silent, gradual, and dangerously overlooked process. When leg strength declines, the consequences can be profound. Balance suffers, independence fades, and the risk of falls dramatically increases. Because the legs are often the first part of the body to weaken as people age, maintaining their strength is paramount. The good news is that rebuilding this strength is possible, and the journey can begin right at the kitchen table. While exercise is undoubtedly important, what you consume daily can be just as powerful, sometimes even more effective, in promoting muscle health. Today, we will discuss 6 foods that are science-backed choices that can help restore muscle strength, protect bone health, and ensure your legs remain strong, flexible, and steady well into your later years. 1. Eggs. If medical professionals or nutritionists were asked to name the single best food for rebuilding strength, after the age of 60, many would point to the humble egg. Affordable, simple, and small, eggs contain a complete package of nutrients essential for maintaining steady and strong muscles. As we age, the body often loses muscle faster than it can rebuild it, a process termed sarcopenia. This can manifest as slower movements or weaker legs. Eggs are vital in fighting sarcopenia because they supply high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are the precise building blocks that muscles require for growth and repair. Furthermore, eggs are noted as one of the best natural sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is critical not only for bone health, but also for supporting muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D levels are common among seniors and frequently contribute to weakness, fatigue, and balance problems. Consuming just 1 or 2 eggs daily can help restore these vital levels naturally. Inside the yolk, you will also find choline, a crucial nutrient that ensures smooth communication between the nerves and muscles. This improved communication translates into quicker reactions, steadier steps, and better overall control. With healthy fats, B vitamins, and antioxidants, eggs also protect muscle cells and sustain energy throughout the day. For best results, consistency is key, and incorporating 1 or 2 eggs daily scrambled, boiled, or mixed with vegetables is often sufficient. 2. Salmon. Every time you walk, stand, or climb stairs, your leg muscles bear your entire body weight. However, with age, the body's natural ability to rebuild muscle tissue slows down, leading to the common feeling of weaker or more tired legs. Salmon is considered one of the most powerful foods available for rebuilding strength. It is packed with high-quality protein, which provides the raw materials necessary for muscles to repair themselves and stay firm. The true power of salmon lies in its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats perform several critical functions. They reduce inflammation, protect joints from stiffness and pain, and improve blood flow. Since inflammation is a significant contributor to slow recovery and weakness in older adults, omega-3s help to calm this process, enabling legs to move more comfortably and freely. Omega-3 also act as circulation boosters, maintaining flexible blood vessels. This efficiency ensures that nutrients and oxygen effectively reach the muscles, resulting in increased energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery. Additionally, salmon offers B vitamins, including B12, that help convert food into clean energy, supporting coordination, strength, and endurance. Salmon does not need to be consumed daily. Just 2 to 3 servings per week grilled, baked, or canned can significantly help restore and rebuild the legs from the inside out. 3. Berries. While aging is inevitable, losing strength is not. Daily, muscles are subject to invisible enemies, such as oxidative stress, free radicals, and inflammation. The lingering fatigue, stiff knees, and soreness felt after light activity are often symptoms of this internal battle. Berries, including strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, act as some of nature's strongest protective shields. They are densely packed with antioxidants that fight the oxidative stress, which typically weakens muscles and slows recovery. Regular consumption of berries makes muscles more resilient. Berries actively reduce chronic inflammation, the silent force responsible for aching legs and stiff joints, thereby enhancing freedom and comfort of movement. Their high content of vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping joints, tendons, and muscles flexible, firm, and youthful. Furthermore, berries support healthy circulation, ensuring improved oxygen delivery to the leg muscles, leading to faster recovery and reduced tiredness. As an added benefit, the same antioxidants that protect muscle tissue also help sharpen memory and focus, keeping the mind as active as the body. Berries are easily incorporated into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, fueling flexibility, vitality, and strength from within. 4. Avocados. Avocados offer seniors a fantastic way to maintain legs that are flexible, strong, and pain-free. As people age, stiffness is a common issue, manifesting as tightness after sitting or a dull ache when getting out of bed. Much of this discomfort stems from inflammation that slowly wears down both joints and muscles. Avocados naturally combat this by providing rich amounts of monounsaturated fats. These good fats calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and ensure joints remain supple. The result is less soreness, less stiffness, and greater confidence and freedom when moving. A critical feature of avocados is their high potassium content, a mineral essential for proper muscle contraction. Avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas, making them exceptionally effective at preventing muscle spasms, cramps, and frustrating nighttime leg tightness. Low potassium is often a culprit when painful calf cramps wake a person up. Additionally, avocados provide vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that repairs minute stress points in the muscles, easing fatigue and maintaining strength. The healthy fats they contain also boost circulation, ensuring vital nutrients and oxygen reach the legs to keep them energized. Consistency is the key to reaping these benefits. Making avocados a regular part of a weekly diet leads to noticeable differences, including smoother movement and greater flexibility. 5. Oats. Often viewed simply as a plain breakfast item, oats are, in fact, one of the best foods available for senior leg endurance and sustained, all-day energy. If the legs feel heavy or tired halfway through the day, oats can offer a remedy. As the body ages, muscles lose stamina because the system becomes less efficient at maintaining stable energy and blood sugar levels. Oats resolve this problem by supplying slow-releasing carbohydrates. This steady fuel source keeps muscles energized for hours, preventing midday crashes and fatigue, and maintaining consistent strength for staying active, walking, and gardening. Oats also serve a rebuilding purpose. Each serving contains plant-based protein that helps repair and maintain the muscle fibers that naturally decline with age, leading to improved stability and stronger legs. They are also rich in magnesium and iron, two nutrients often lacking in the senior diet. Iron is necessary for delivering oxygen to the muscles, while magnesium relaxes them, preventing stiffness, cramps, and the heavy, tight feeling in the legs. Magnesium from oats is known to naturally help stop sudden nighttime cramps. Furthermore, oats support healthy circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible and open, which ensures fast recovery by efficiently delivering oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. 6. Sweet potatoes. When striving to keep legs strong and steady, energy is foundational. However, not all energy is equal. Many foods deliver a quick burst followed by sluggishness and fatigue. Sweet potatoes conversely provide the long-lasting power necessary to fuel muscles for hours, allowing for sustained standing, walking, and climbing. As older muscles become less efficient at using and storing energy, simple tasks like walking uphill or carrying groceries become harder. Sweet potatoes naturally address this inefficiency. They are loaded with complex carbohydrates, which deliver steady fuel without causing blood sugar spikes or subsequent energy crashes. Its bright orange flesh contains powerful components: vitamin A, which speeds muscle recovery and alleviates soreness, and potassium, which hydrates tissues and stabilizes muscle contractions. Sweet potatoes also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help prevent muscle microtears. Beta-carotene specifically fights the cellular damage caused by chronic inflammation, a hidden thief of strength that slowly erodes muscle fibers. This action helps keep the legs pain-free and flexible. Their natural fiber also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring muscles receive the fuel they need. While discovering these powerful foods is helpful, the secret to success lies in application. It is not necessary to consume all 6 foods every day. Instead, mixing and matching them throughout the week is effective. Making them a regular part of your routine, even a few servings of each across the span of the week, can lead to a noticeable improvement in energy and leg strength. Starting the day with nutrient-rich foods is often ideal, as it gives muscles lasting fuel and helps stabilize energy levels. However, consuming them later in the day, during lunch or dinner, is also perfectly fine, as the body benefits whenever it is nourished. Many of these foods beautifully complement each other in a phenomenon known as food synergy, where nutrients work better when combined. Examples include pairing oats with berries or salmon with avocado. While nutrition provides the fuel, movement is what activates it. Even light movement such as short walks, simple leg stretches, or chair exercises will speed up progress, helping these nutrients work faster. Together, movement and nutrition rebuild the legs from the inside out, fostering independence and stability for years to come. Well, that's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational contents like this. Thank you for watching.